I came home to it raining in the house. If this happens to you, the first thing you need to do is secure the source. You want to familiarize yourself with securing water to your appliances or even house in these emergent situations. In my case, it was the hot water heater. I just secured the two valves on top. One is for your water intake, the other is for your hot water supply. And as you see here, I already have a garden hose hooked up to the drain line to help empty the tank. Hot water heaters usually last around 10 years, but your tank should have a date on the manufacturer sticker and a replacement time frame. In my case, the tank was over 15 years old and the bottom was full of rust. And that is why you see me here having to disassemble the valve to get it clear and drain the rest of the water out. And as you see me pull it, that's what you're going to get. So you're going to expect to have a little mess to clean up, but it's just water. These hot water heaters are also not light, so ensure you have a help to lift it or a dolly. Again, mine was 15 years old. The replacement time frame I think was 10 years. So it was probably half full of rust, which gave it another 50 pounds. Okay, how am I going to do this? Here, hug it. I ended up getting a new tank from a big box store. We got it at Lowe's. It was like $500. And this should keep me good to go. I think this tank is a 12 years. I also ended up buying new flex lines for my hot water heater. Those were a little corroded, so I just went ahead and bought some new ones. They weren't that expensive, maybe 25 bucks or so. Also, the laundry room, we're going to be revisiting that eventually to do a little DIY makeover, so stay tuned for that. This is just an emergent situation. And as you see here, I changed out my flex lines, and it's also all wired up. The power is not on yet. So before you turn your power on, you need to make sure you run the air out of your hot water tank. And to do that, as you see here, you turn on your hot water. It's going to spurt. In the instruction guide, it'll tell you how long to keep your hot water on to ensure you don't have any air in the system. So just do that. Also, you want to take off, as you see there, the filter for your faucet, because it's probably going to have rust in the line. And I threw in a couple of pictures at the end of what I pulled out.